Hey guys, this is Welshie from WELSHYTECH. WELSHYTECH. Right, this is a video I'm doing right now. This is a video about time to upgrade. At this moment, we've around the world we've had an epidemic called coronavirus. It's causing a lot of problems in China as well as Taiwan with manufacturing of computer components, especially RAM and SSDs. So if this is me trying to say, you know, basically if you want to upgrade, best time to do it would be now. Don't go leaving it, because the way it is at the moment, it keeps spreading everywhere. It's here in the UK already. I'm in Wales, which there's already been 3 known outbreaks already in Wales. It's a bit frightening at this moment, especially where people are starting to panic, starting to buy over things, starting to buy loads of things, you know, outstock in a lot of places. This is just me trying to tell you not to stress about it, not worrying. At the end of the day, the medical part of our societies are trying their best to contain it. Here in the UK, I personally think the NHS is going to be terrible because they don't get a lot of funding as they do. But medical staff, as well as medical all around the world, are trying their best to contain the coronavirus. So if you want to upgrade now, at this moment, I have seen a 3% increase in RAM and SSD prices here in the United Kingdom. I suggest, if you need to upgrade RAM or you need to upgrade your storage, I suggest you do it now before the price of inflation starts going up, because they're not being manufactured in Taiwan, in China. So if I was you, if you want to upgrade, I would do it now.